Hi everybody, it's Mrs. A. Welcome to my kitchen. Miss you guys. Today we're going to talk about making sounds and how to make them louder. This is a rubber band. Rubber band makes noise, but not very loud noise. So we're going to see if we can amplify it, which means we're going to give it a speaker that will make the sound louder. So you need a plastic cup, you need a paper clip, and you need a pen. Okay? You also need a scissor. You might want somebody to help you with this. You're going to take the plastic cup and you're going to make a hole in the middle of the bottom, just like that. Okay. Then you're going to put the rubber band through the holder on the pen, and then put the rubber band through the hole. See, there it is. Grab it with your fingers. This is the hard part. Ta-da! Okay, so now you've got the rubber band all the way through the cup. Open the paper clip a little bit, just a teeny bit like that, okay? Put it around the rubber band, and then let it go so that the rubber band is stuck through this way. Then, you have a speaker for your rubber band. You've amplified the sound by making it come through this cup. Okay? There will be more instruments on my website, and I'll be teaching you how to make this. So I'll see you soon.